wait till I tell you this story. You're going to be like shaking your head and you're going to be like, I never heard that one before. But listen, so Mama has these chickens, and there is this one called KC. She's a little black one and she has like blue and some purple on her. Or the sun shines on her, right? But anyhow, she had pasty butt. You know what pasty butt is? It's like something stuck to your pancake, and you just can't get it off. And it was white, and it was sticking on her feathers. And Mom's like, "Oh no, we can't have pasty butt." So she got it off of her, and that was a feat in itself, just trying to do that. So a couple days later, she has pasty butt again, and Mom's like, "Oh, something is going on. We got to get that off of her." And it was pretty nasty looking. So she cornered her and got her, and she was going. She had everyone in the chicken house all upset, but Mama got her out. She brought her in the house. She put her in the kitchen sink, and I'm like, why is the chicken in the kitchen sink? It's like, why did the chicken cross the road? I don't know that answer, but back to the sink. The chicken is in the sink, and she is squawking. She is not happy. Mom's like, it's okay, Casey. It's okay, Casey. And she had some soap, some Dawn dish soap, and she gave her a bath. She scrubbed her bottom down, and yeah. And then she had gloves on because she's like, I'm not touching that. And she had to get it off because she said there's like this thing called fly strike, and there's flies that would land on it and they would leave their larva. That's kind of gross. How about it? And it could cause some problems. So she got her all cleaned up, and then so she doesn't happen again, she got out the scissors. She gave her feathers a cut. She clipped her feathers all over her pancake. And I was like, what are you doing? And I'd never seen that before, and I never heard of it, but she did. And guess what? Everything is good. Her pancake's all nice and fluffy now, and Mama's like, oh, her pancake looks so good. I'm like, that's just crazy. Crazy. Have you ever heard of that before?